Good morning. I wanted to clarify one of your quiz question types. It's something you're going to see in the 4 parts of the quote sandwich assignment, where you're looking at a typical quote sandwich and you're being asked in Canvas quizzes to drop a crosshairs onto that paragraph to identify the 4 parts of the quote sandwich. So each question, you'll have 4 questions that ask you to identify each of the 4 parts: the context, the text evidence, the in-text citation, and the student's analysis. And the way you'll do that is by dropping a crosshairs onto the appropriate part of the paragraph. So what you're looking at on the left-hand side of my screen is an example of this type of test question. And notice that I can take those crosshairs and drag it anywhere on that map. And when I click, it will place a bullseye as the marker. Now, behind the scenes of that question is the author of this question drew an outline of the shape that represents the correct answer to that question. So as long as you hit anywhere inside that shape, your question will be marked correct. Let's look at what that might look like on the paragraph that you'll see as part of your assignment. So just like you see the crosshairs over here, you're going to see the crosshairs in this paragraph. And as an example, one of the questions asks you to identify the in-text citation. So in that case, you'll have to forgive me. I'm going to have to actually draw it on my map, the paragraph map. But as long as I identify anything in this parameter, as long as I drop my crosshairs anywhere within this border, my question will be marked correct. Okay, and I use the polygon tool, so the shapes will be less squiggly than that, but I think you get the idea. If you place that marker outside of that in-text citation hypermark, for instance, if you place it somewhere out here, then clearly that will be marked incorrect because you have not identified the correct piece of that quote sandwich. All right, I hope that helps. Reach out to me by email or through Remind if you have any questions, and I'm happy to help. Thanks, all of you who sent in that excellent question. Have a good one. Bye.